everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install Pinterest. So for that, first of all, you open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Play Store, you tap on search bar and type in Pinterest. Tap on search. You can see the Pinterest application on the top. Now you tap on install and wait for the application to be downloaded. Pinterest is an image sharing and social media service. You will be able to discover recipes, home ideas, style inspiration and other ideas to try from Pinterest. Pinterest is an app or the place where you can explore for inspiration and develop new ideas throughout. You can see the application has been downloaded. You tap on open and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Pinterest app for your mobile device. For iOS, you can download it from the App Store and the process is similar. Hope this video was useful on how to download and install Pinterest. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.